Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch your preferred web browser. You cannot change the language of Okcupid through the app, so you need to change this through the website. So once you're in your browser, navigate to the website of Okcupid. Once you're in the website, make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the language of the system, you need to go to your profile first. You can see the profile icon at the top right corner, tap on it. And once you're in your profile page, scroll down to the bottom. And over here, you can see the language option. Right now, English is selected as my language. So if I tap on it, it will give me the options of different languages that I can switch to. You can choose your preferred language from the list. Let's say I'll change the language to the French. So I'll select French and tap on save. As you can see, the language has been successfully changed to the French. You can similarly change the language to your preferred one. So it's a very simple process to change your language on Okcupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.